Hi everyone, I'm Sid. Welcome to another episode of Salty Sid. I'm busy fixing Captain Mark's oldest son Nathan. He broke his rod. It's quite a nice place where he broke it. And so what I did is I had an old fishing rod. I've broken many rods myself. And I've got an old fishing rod that fits perfectly in there. So I've fitted it in here as far as it can go. Not really. Actually, the way I did it is first through the end part, and then it eventually gets tight. So obviously I've marked it already, so it kind of gets tight here. You don't want to push too much, and then it fits in. So obviously there's bits and pieces that are left, so you're trying to use what's there as well. I don't want to create too much, but basically that's the idea. And then I've pushed the rod in as far as it can go, that it's nice and tight without pushing and still holding. So that's basically one rod now here. So the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to cut that off first. I'm going to mark it and cut it, and then I'll use some power epoxy. I've had that for a while, so I'm going to use it, mix it together, put it in, glue it together, and that should be it. And then we'll cover it up like I do the rings. So enjoy the journey. I'm going to go from the one eye here, which I'm going to mark. I'll go just under the eye, which I'll mark, and I'll go just on top of the eye here, that I'll mark. Don't want to Okay, mixing the epoxy together. Gives you about 5 minutes to work with. You can check it reacts. Can Mauritius, it is super hot, so it is reacting super fast. I'm just going to put a little bit on there, just so that as it makes its way, there will be glue on it. As it gets tighter, it will. But the top end, I'm not too phased about, because that will come out on the other side. And I'll use this to be able to use my hands too as well. So basically, just gonna slide that through. I'm gonna have to clean that again, because as you remember, I'm gonna need that. So now, push that through that far, because that's the mark. And then this part that hasn't had any yet, I'm going to put some epoxy on it. Just like so. Make sure it's nice and full as it goes in there. And I'm sure it will obviously push it back in on here. So then there will be leftovers on this side. So here we go. Then there's that leftover I was talking about. Find where they're meant together, and that's the one. While it's still wet, I'm going to clean up that area just to make sure that that's nice and clean. Okay, so that's nice and clean. That's mended together. I'm going to push this guy last time through, just to make sure I'm happy with the depth, which I am. And then now, while it's still a little bit wet, and I've still got some left and it's drying out, I'm going to use some of this, like I usually do. You've seen me do that in the other videos. Some of that braid, just to cover it up. It's not acting as any strength or anything like that, but it's just to cover it up, just to finish it off. A little bit of super glue, just to mend it all together. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking.